The roller conveyor sandblasting equipment we designed and produced for one of our customers in Spain, Europe, will be shipped recently. Today, I will introduce the whole system. The air compressor system consists of air compressor, air receiver, and the dryer. It can effectively guarantee the stable operation of the whole system. The sandblasting equipment consists of the roller conveyor system, the electric control part, the sandblasting equipment, the Abrasive recovery system, and the dust collector. First of all, the roller conveyor is covered by the EPDM, very resistant rubber. It can effectively extend the service life of the rollers and seal Abrasives. The photoelectric detection switch can accurately detect when to blast the workpiece. You can see the Siemens touchscreen. You can operate every parameter as what you want. Siemens PLC, the Schneider lower voltage components. It can ensure the smooth operation of the electrical control. The next is the Abrasive recovery system. Elevator, the separator, especially the separator, it consists of two parts, the air separator and the rubbery screen separator. It can guarantee the smooth separation of dust and Abrasives. This is a dust collecting system. I will open it. You can see here is the pulse controller, the field cartridge. It can greatly separate and collect the dust. The most important part is the sandblasting machine. Our sandblasting machine consists of sandblasting port, the upper intake valve, the lower intake valve, the exhaust valve, also the pneumatic gauge pipe clip valve. The whole sandblasting system can easily guarantee smooth conveying of results.